We'll go over some of the top options for DJI Avata 2 bags in this video so you can choose wisely for your drone storage and transportation needs.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Starter Bag. Among the options available for people who bought a DJI Avata 2, the Starter Bag stands out due to its unique fit for the drone and its accessories on Avata 2 drone. 1 pair of goggles, 1 65W charger, 1 RC Motion 3, 3 batteries, 1 two-way charging hub, cables, propellers, SD cards, and many more drone components may all fit inside. Designed on a special leather shell material and expertly molded, it offers superior protection against scratches and damage to the DJI Avata 2 drone and its accessories during transportation. Easily fits in a travel bag or backpack. Include a shoulder strap and non-slip handle for easy placing and retrieval. It is portable. The inside organization is also well thought out with several pockets and compartments to let you organize the accessories for your drone in a neat manner. This arrangement makes everything easy to find and readily accessible, making it perfect for efficient storage and speedy access. On number 2, we have Fpvtosky Carrying Bag. When it comes to securely bringing your DJI Avata 2 and its accessories, the Fpvtosky Carrying Case is a great choice. Its design places the same value on the user's convenience and ease of usage as well as the drone's safety while in flight. High-quality, durable materials were used in the making of this carrying solution, guaranteeing longevity and defense against normal wear and tear from excursions. The carrying bag, made for fans of the DJI Avata 2, is lightweight and conveniently fits the essential travel equipment. In order to prevent the accessories in the mesh bag from scratching your drone equipment, a flexible barrier has been placed between the accessories and the top mesh bag. The drone and its accessories fit the inside tray well because it is made of a single piece. High-quality, dirt and wear-resistant premium Oxford fabric is used to make the shell. On wet days, the waterproof zipper is utilized. This luggage is made to make travel less difficult and more pleasurable. Whether you're traveling through crowded urban areas, boarding airplanes, or visiting off-the-beaten-path destinations. So these are some of the best bags to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.